quick overview on the commodity market right here. So we're going to start with natural gas first. As I know, this is your favorite commodity to trade, and this is the most famous commodity around the world to trade with. So let's start with gas now. So as per my yesterday's video, so here you see we have a nice big engulfing candle. Because of that, I'm not looking to buy right now because we have this bearish pressure. I'm not looking to buy. We can get something like this, and we can get something like this. Next candle, we can get a wick up here, and the market can come back down. If we get a move like this, then in that case we will look for a sell entry, or even if we get an inverted hammer, sorry for my drawings, inverted hammer like this, something like this in that zone, and you'll be okay to take sell entries from this zone. So right now, because of this bearish candle, I'm only looking to buy once the market break and close above this pink zone, move up, come back down, retest, and give us an entry reason, either an engulfer entry or a double bottom entry from this zone towards the next level of resistance. So right now this resistance is 4 till 4.042. You can mark the zone on your chart, and let me show you quickly. This is a major level of resistance right now, has been respected here as a resistance here, so back here as a support, right here as a support. So that's the level of significance. I got both conditions now to buy and when to look for a sell. Sell once you reach the zone. As I told you, look for a pin bar or engulfer entry, and I look for a buy once the market break above this level, or if the market, if this, let's say if this candle move down back to our trend line and it gives us a bullish reason to enter something like this candle, 382 candle, or something like this engulfer candle. So if the market reaches this zone back to our major level of support, we can look for a buying entries once we reach the zone, which is which is around from 3.64 till 3.756. So I'll be looking for buying entries if the market hit this zone, sell entries if the market reaches this zone, give us an engulfer reason, or if we have a big impulsive move, then we will look for sell from this zone. As you see, the market is making higher lows and higher highs. Market is making an uptrend. So that's a quick one on gas. Let's check gold. Right, so couldn't upload a video earlier as I was busy in something. If you know how I take entries, we have a double top entry right here. The market didn't break above this zone. The way I take double top entries, this was a nice entry reason, and the market gave us a nice $10 move. And also, guys, if you are in my VIP group, I send these zones via email analysis so that you know where to take counter trades or where to take pullback trades once we are between the zones. So if you want to be added in my VIP group, all you need to do just join one of my partner brokers. Gold is also now in uptrend. You see it's forming a trend. If the market come back down, that could be a fake out, something something like this here. When to identify that the market is actually going to move down, it's with an entry condition. So even once the market reaches here, do not just enter straight away. We need to look for entry conditions, which I normally teach you guys in my videos, which is, if let's say if the market breaks below, look for a retest and then look for a green candle and then a bigger candle which engulfs the previous candle, which is a sign of market is likely to move down and continue its trend down with an entry condition. So keep an eye on that. If the market breaks below this zone, come back up something like this pin bar here, and it's an indication the market's going to hit upper level of this trend line right here. Let's check silver. So same with silver. Silver has now broken below this line. If it gives us a pullback and a bigger candle or something like this, double top move from this zone, then we have a likely chance to see the market to move down. So if it go back up after the next few candles, it's likely to see the market to move up and continue its trend like this. Let's check crude oil. Right, so crude oil is also above our major level of resistance. If you want to go back and check on 1 hour time frame, you see this resistance, this level has been acted as a support here. I've already marked the zones as a resistance, major resistance, market move down. From support, market move up. We have 1, 2, 3 times. If you want to see, look back left, you can see this level has been acted as a strong level of support, and resistance has been tested multiple times in the past. So right now for crude oil, let's go back and for our time frame. So for crude oil, I expect to see market can still move back down to 50 EMA. Between this zone can give us few more candles. We can get an engulfer entry, and market can continue its trend up, something like this. If we get entry like this, we can take an entry accordingly, and the next level is right here. This is the major level, 84.86. Before that, if you want to see the minor levels, right here, it's a minor level at 79.21. When I look back down, you see this level has acted as resistance here. Resistance, resistance. So that's a minor level. This is also a level right above here. Say if we get an entry region somewhere in this zone, pullback region, we can take an entry up to 79.15. Just make sure you go for an entry candle before you enter. Something like this. This is an entry candle. You can enter off the close of this candle. You can take your target 180R above and 180R stop loss on every single pair or instrument you are trading at. That's a quick one on commodity market, guys. If you have any questions, you can always send me a message on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. I hope you trade green. Till then, take care.